Hello, today I'm in Kia Sportage. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. Firstly, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can increase or decrease volume, change radio station, change radio source, and mute the radio. Next, we can use the green button of the phone to answer the calls, the red one to decline or end calls. Thanks to this button we can activate voice assistant. And next we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable and disable cruise control. Also, if you press right here, you will use the horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.